How to download EA Sports FC 24 on PC. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then download Steam. Okay, so you can just simply type Steam or download Steam. And what you want to do here is to simply click the first one. And then what you want to do next is to simply tap install Steam. Then you will see it right here that it is now starting to download. Once done, you just have to go to your download folder or you just have to tap that folder icon there and it will take you directly to Steam. Okay. Now what you want to do is to right click and then tap run as administrator. So once done, you just have to simply open Steam, go to store, and then here you just have to type EA Sports FC. Okay, tap this one. Now, to get this, what you want to do is to, of course, purchase this game first. So scroll down, add this to your cart. Now you have two options here, purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. Everything is up to you, but this time I want to choose this purchase for myself. Okay, and then after that, it would take me directly to payment method. So you can choose your payment method here. We have here PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so on. But I'll just have to select PayPal. Okay, click continue. Now click PayPal. So you have to link your PayPal here. And then once done, you can now purchase this game and then you can start to play after. And thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next tutorials.